Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can contact Grammarly by phone. So guys, there's a slight twist, that is you can't contact Grammarly by phone, but instead you can use the alternatives to contact them. So how you can do it, let's just learn. First, you go to this Grammarly site, and then on your left hand side you will see the support option all the way down. Just go on it and let it load. Now once it has been loaded, you can even type your question over here to contact them, or you can go all the way down where you can find contact us option. Just go over there, and then over here you can do anything. You can see for the pre-questions or pre-made questions or frequently asked question, or if you need any help you can go over here on your right bottom. So here is the bot which helps you to contact them much easier. Just go over here, and then once it has loaded, you can type over here any message that you want to just contact them. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any query, just comment down below, guys. So I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.